Jamaica's track stars took on their competitors in the recently concluded JN Jamaica International Invitational Track Meet. Some might say it was a teaser for what's to come in the London Olympics in July. But the event also gave some of our athletes the chance to address questions that may have been on the minds of their supporters. The defending Olympic double sprint champion and world record holder comfortably left his competitors behind. But is he worried about another false start mishap?
Of course, I took a false start and reach all off, but I was trying to stay focused.
How is the 2009 world champion seeking to ensure she beats the hurdles and is first at the finish line?
I've been working really hard at getting out of the blocks because, as you know, Sally is a good starter, and to stand a chance against her, you've got to be able to start well.
We just want to come out here every time we come out here, even in front of our own crew, just to please them.
Fans were definitely pleased with the performance of the youngest 100 meters champion, but is he intimidated by the success of Usain?
My training partner, I love that. Competition is good.
And having won both the Olympic and world titles in the 100 meters in Beijing and Berlin, is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce considering going for the double in London?
I don't know, that decision is up to my coach. I think he knows best, and he will definitely assess me before and after the national championship to see if I'm capable of doing both.
Want to have a go at predicting how many Olympic medals Jamaica will add to its tally come August 12? Email your thoughts to jamaicamagazine@jis.gov.jm. Keep visiting www.jamaica50.com or www.jis.gov.jm for information throughout our Golden Jubilee. You can also go out and support all the Jamaica 50 events, but if you miss any, we'll be here to give you a peek at them.